If you're looking for a way to earn some extra money on the internet, by literally doing nothing, then this video is for you. You don't need to do any kind of tasks or surveys, all that you need is an internet connection. To earn passive income, you need to create an account on honeygain.com for free, which is the first ever app that helps its users make money online by sharing their internet connection. People can now reach their unused data plan's full potential and not leave any unused data behind. It's a really passive income, effortlessly. And you will receive $5 sign-up bonus if you join with my referral link, which is in the description. You can sign up with email, Facebook, or Gmail. After you log in, your dashboard will show that you already have 5,000 credits, which equals to $5. And the minimum cash out balance is $20. Once you reach that, you can request a payout with PayPal, Bitcoin, or JumpTask. So how does it work? In short, by running Honeygain, you essentially employ like 10% of your internet connection to make money for yourself. The app facilitates proxy services to third parties, such as data scientists, Fortune 500, and other trustworthy companies. And for each 10 megabytes used by your internet, you get 3 credits. You can earn credits faster by installing Honeygain on different devices. It's available on computers or smartphones, or you can invite friends to join with your referral link to earn 10% of their earnings. Once you install the app, just sign in and let it do the work for you. And if you are going to install it on your phone, you can choose to use either your mobile data or the Wi-Fi connection, and it will work fine in the background.